you're providing support with Zendesk. But managing customers with Salesforce. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when support tickets are created, check Salesforce and update the ticket with customer account details. Or create support tickets in Zendesk whenever new cases are logged in Salesforce, streamlining your support workflow. Or even automatically create leads in Salesforce when new users are added to Zendesk from support interactions. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Zendesk and Salesforce, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.